क्यों नहीं आमने सामने चर्चा करते?
आ जाइए, डिबेट हो जाए।
मैं तैयार हूँ।
आ जाए मैदान में।
Hello and welcome to this Headlines Today special. It is the dominant issue of our national discourse at the moment. The Land Ordinance Bill has pitted the Congress versus the BJP, UPA versus NDA, farmer versus industry. And the big question is, who has the better legislation and what does the country really need? Does it need what the UPA had promised or what the NDA is promising? Who has the better legislation when it comes to the land bill, and is the bill in the interest of the country? That's the big question we want to pose. A few weeks ago, Nitin Gadkari, Union Minister, posed a challenge to the Congress. He was ready to take them on in a public debate. And we are delighted today that Digvijay Singh of the Congress has accepted his challenge. Please welcome and give a big hand to Nitin Gadkari of the NDA, Digvijay Singh of the UPA and the Congress party. In this debate, we have farmers, किसान भी है, हम उनके भी सवाल लेंगे. We have people from urban India, middle class India. We will take their questions as well. But the first question, before I come to the specifics of the land debate, for the first time on television, we will go into the specifics of this big debate. The basic question, is this bill in the national interest or not? Why is the NDA, Mr. Gadkari, being projected by the Congress as anti-farmer? And why, Mr. Digvijay Singh, is your previous government being projected as anti-growth? Nitin Gadkari, you start first and tell us, why do you believe that this bill is not anti-farmer? Why is it in the national interest? Why are you staking so much on this bill?
First of all, this bill is passed in the parliament with unanimous resolution. There is no opposition from anybody. So first of all, it is in the national interest, it is in the farmer interest, it is in the poor interest, it is in the public interest, and it is in the social interest.
If it is passed unanimously,
go ahead. Just to give me a chance to clear my position. First of all, I want to clear the thing that any cost, we are only making 5 amendments in this bill. And those 5 amendments are related with only the security and the defense, the rural electrification and rural infrastructure, then industrial corridor and low cost housing. We don't want to acquire any land for the big industry, for the corporate, for the big personality, nothing. Neither for private engineering college, private medical college, private universities. Basically, for the public interest, for the poor interest, for the farmer interest, and for the national interest, and for the social interest, only these 5 amendments are there.
There will be no acquisition of land for public-private partnerships of government-owned land. That is what I have with me.
Yes, I want to tell you. This is the Bill 105 Act, which is passed by the Parliament in the UPA regime. This is the 105, I just read it if you want to read. They exempted SIA and consent clause from these 13 acts. It includes the Coal Act. And you know that in the coal scandal, the CAG already cleared it is a scandal of 1,88,000 crores. Supreme Court cancelled the things. And now after only auction of 20 mines, government get 2 lakh crores. I am asking the Congress party a question. At that time when you acquired the land for the coal mine, why you are not choosing the way of consent clause and SIA? When you give the land to Vadraji in Haryana, lot of land acquired by the Huddaji in near Haryana, and at that time why you are not taking the advantage of consent clause and SIA? At a time when we are talking about the rural infrastructure, particularly of irrigation, where 80% of land is acquired only for irrigation, in Maharashtra 16.8%, in Jharkhand 5.6%, and how it is in the interest of the farmer. At that time you are taking all this objection and creating an anti-farmer stand. It is not appropriate.
Okay, I will come to the specifics that you have raised, but Digvijay Singh, you accuse them of being suit boot ki sarkar. What is wrong, first of all, if they decide, if there is a corporate which is willing to tie up with the government, so long as the farmer gets his compensation? You are anti-growth. If they are, you are projecting them as anti-farmer because you want the poor farmer to remain poor. You don't want the poor farmer of this country to enrich himself. Please go ahead.
Will you please allow me as much time as you allowed Mr. Nitin Gadkari?
Your time starts now.
Because in the earlier debate, I was not given enough
Achal.
time. Okay. Provided Mr. Nitin Gadkari has the patience.
100%.
1 second. What I'm trying to say is, I'm extremely happy when he said and praised the 2013 Act which we brought, which was passed unanimously. He said, we are all very happy. We unanimously passed it. Thank you very much. Then, what was the need for the ordinance? Number 2. Number 3, he has made certain allegations. He has said they created an aura, a wrong disinformation, that there was no provision for national security and defense. Please go to 2013 section 2. I will read. A. For strategic purposes relating to naval, military, air force, armed forces, union, including central paramilitary and other vital national security or defense of India, safety of the people. This provision is already there in 2013. They have not amended that. Coming to that.
Consent
So,
clause is
one
You
second,
are
one
not
second.
answering my question.
I'm coming to that.
Nitin Gadkari,
You are
no,
not.
Nitin Gadkari has
Rajdeep,
asked a question.
Rajdeep,
You must respond to what he
Rajdeep,
said.
First, let me explain. The disinformation campaign run
Consent
by
clause-
Mr. Nitin Gadkari.
consent clause on
One
SI is
one
not
second.
Sir, 1 minute. Let
One
him
second.
speak.
Let me explain. They had said we had to make an ordinance because in the 2013 there was no provision for the acquisition for military, navy,
No, it's no
air force.
acquisition.
No, one second. Let
It's
me
a
finish.
consent
Hey,
clause.
let him finish, sir. Let
Let
him
me
finish.
finish.
I will come back to you.
So there was no consent clause in that.
There is provision.
No,
Sir, but you have not answered.
You are misleading.
Sir, you have not answered his question.
I am coming
He is
there.
saying your Haryana government
I am coming.
gives away land freely
No, one
to big
second, one
industries.
second.
That time you
It
don't
is
say
wrong.
Soot Boot Ki
It
Sarkar.
is wrong. It is wrong. Not 1 inch of land was given by the Haryana government to Mr. Robert Vadra. Not 1 inch. 1 inch.
Sir, Robert Vadra
One
chodo.
second. He
But
said
other industrialists.
One second. This is
Robert Vadra-
Mr.
I have
Mr.
got the
Rajdeep
record.
Sardesai. Mr. Rajdeep
I have
Sardesai.
got the record of the acquisition. You just see it. I will give you.
1 second. Rajdeep.
He is-
Rajdeep. Let.
He's saying area released for land acquisition by Haryana government between 2005 and 14. Department of Urban
ये list
Estates
है, builderों की list है।
109,028.54 acres. Department of Industry 81.10.
Am I-
Total land release 19,309.64.
One second. There are two different issues. One is the land acquisition to be given to A, B, C, and changing the land use. There are two different things. The acquisition by Mr. Nitin Gadkari that the Haryana state government allotted land to Mr. Robert Vadra is wrong. Number 2, we are very happy if the present government discussed the ordinance. If there were any lacuna, they should have discussed this through the select committee with all political parties. No, allow me this
Yes.
time. Rajiv, don't be unfair to me.
Okay, I'm not being unfair.
Please don't interrupt me. You didn't interrupt him. You don't interrupt me also. What I'm trying to say is that he praised the 2013 Act, but if there were any lacuna, there may have been, they should have consulted the political parties and referred the issue to the select committee of the Lok Sabha. Even today, if the Prime Minister refers this issue, land acquisition bill, to a select committee, where the select committee can discuss with all political parties and the Kisan organizations, farmers organizations, we are prepared to discuss. And there is no limitation of
How
time.
many years, sir, are we going to discuss?
Mr. Rajdeep,
These
please listen.
discussions.
Rajdeep,
Sir-
you are not being unfair. You are being unfair. Let me finish.
Yes.
Let me finish. The time schedule can be maintained. You called us anti-growth. We registered the highest growth in the country ever since the independence. In spite of the fact that there was a worldwide recession, our growth was much
Vijay
higher
Singh ji,
than
can
the
I come
average
to the
NDA.
specific clauses? I want you to respond. See, sir, you have raised an important point.
Let me finish, Rajdeep. Let me finish. What I'm trying to say is that you say that he says that we have only amended, we have brought in 5 these things to bring in the issue of national security. It is not there in these 5.
UPA 2013 required 80% of landowners in acquisitions for private and 70% for public-private partnership. This is what the UPA said.
Exactly.
80% of landowners' consent is required, and consent is the key word in acquisition for private, and 70% for public-private partnership project. NDA said it will not be required for national security, defense, rural infrastructure, industrial corridors, and public-private infrastructure projects. So you have made 5 exceptions. Therefore, if today I want to acquire land, if the government wants to acquire land for public-private infrastructure project, my land will go. Agar if you in Noida, you want to set up a slum redevelopment project, you will not take the consent of any of the people who are owning the land here. You will acquire it. That is the question which has to be raised.
First of all, he is absolutely correct that Land Acquisition Act is there. But in 2013 Act, the land acquisition clause is there, but it need 80% consent for defense and for the defense purposes. No, it is there. The consent clause and SI is there.
No, sir. It is not there.
Sir, you,
It is not there. They had made an exception for defense and national security.
No, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
You are denying that?
100%, sir.
You are saying
yes,
there was no exception.
Absolutely
Sir,
wrong.
that's why.
SIA was there, no, consent was not there. SIA was required for all land.
But no consent was not there.
Yeah, but SIA was there and that
yes.
would have delayed projects.
He
Go
was
ahead.
misleading then.
First of all, for the defense purpose, if you want to construct an airport near Srinagar, as far as for the security of this country is concerned, at that time, if the consent clause on SI is there, if the people not giving the permission, you cannot construct the airport for the security of this country. So that's why we are making that amendment. This is the ordinance, and we only exempted these 5 things from this SIA clause and consent clause. This is the ordinance. Now I am telling you a logical and a constitutional point. The last date for this bill was 31st December. And if you fail to make the ordinance, it means that there will be no effect of any ordinance on the state, on the country, on the farmer. So it is in the interest of the farmer. It was in the interest of the farmer to make the ordinance. Without that, we cannot give 1:2 or 1:4 land acquisition cost.
I am asking you, sir, in your Congress, in the UPA bill, you said 80% of landowners in acquisition for private and 70% for public-private.
Exactly. Not for government projects. Not for government projects.
Industry is saying that with this kind of law, it would be impossible to develop a project. 4 people can get together out of 10 and say, "Humko ye project acha nahi hai, project will be cancelled."
But Nitin Gadkari ji has just now assured the people through your debate that they will not acquire an inch of land for any industry. He has just now said. Now, I'm coming to that. He has thus now promised to the nation that not 1 inch of land will be acquired for Ambanis and Adanis. But what I'm trying to say is that the consent clause and the clause is only specific, as you rightly pointed out, for PPAs and private companies. But as for in emergency cases, there is a clause 9 and clause 40. Please see where neither social impact assessment nor the compensation has to be given.
Please tell me, Nitin Gadkari, who will this land be acquired for? Who will this land be acquired for? What will this land be acquired for? If this is such a major clause,
First of all,
if you believe Narendra Modi is saying this act as the UPA passed it will lead to deindustrialization of India. So please tell me who is going to acquire the land under your new law?
It's a very important question which is ethically, legally and constitutionally you are absolutely correct. The land acquisition is a subject in the concurrent list.
Yes.
There are certain subjects where central government is authorized to make the law. There are certain subjects state government is supposed to make the law. And there are some subjects where state and central both they are capable to make the law. Now the land acquisition law, the act is passed by the parliament. After that, Huddaji government makes the rules for it. That is their right. Prithviraj Chauhan make the different type of rules in Maharashtra. So there is a provision. Even if the state government don't want to accept the law, some clause passed by the central government, they can change it. And that's why there was a compensation problem. Now I'm telling you I'm giving the answer of your question. Now the problem is that the land is acquired by the collector. The collector, as far as Revenue Act is concerned, collector is working under the state government. And now the problem is that it is the act which is passed by the parliament, it is basically for some facts. But as far the rules are concerned, Jayalalithaji's government make the different rules. Huddai make different rules, and Prithviraj Chauhan make different rules.
Yes.
And they are right. As far as constitution is concerned, because of the concurrently, they are right.
Yes.
Now the problem is that, just I am telling you the question. First of all, we don't want to acquire any land for corporate, the rich people, Ambani and Adani, very common words they are using it, and for the rich people.
So who are you going to acquire it
Ha.
for? So who are the 1 minute?
Don't
Who are
need
you
to-
going to
I-
acquire
I
this
just-
land for?
then-
What is
then
it going
I
to
am
be acquired
asking,
for?
Then I am telling you what public interest, social interest, poor interest.
Give me an example.
Yes, I am giving you the example.
What will you acquire this
The
land for?
rural infrastructure means
Means?
the road for the village connectivity. The rural infrastructure means the transformer in the village. The rural infrastructure means the public government school and government hospital in the village. The rural infrastructure means irrigation. And 80% of the land in the country is acquired by irrigation. Starting from Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru to up to Indira Gandhi, at every time the land acquired, majority land is acquired for irrigation. Now the simple
So
question.
what is the problem then?
Sir,
What
you
is the
just
problem?
understand. Then
Digvijay
you-
Singh ji, what is the problem then?
You-
If he
you
is
give me
saying
the answer.
today, if Nitin Gadkari is giving you an assurance that this land will be acquired only for public purposes,
Yes.
effectively that is what he is saying, then what is your problem?
The problem is in the section 10A in the ordinance. Okay. Now please read section 10A, D and E. Huh? Industrial corridors set up by the appropriate government and its undertaking in which the land shall be acquired up to 1 kilometer on both sides. If there is a corridor of 10,000 kilometers on both sides, if you see 20,000 square kilometers will be acquired, which amounts to 2 crore hectares. What will this land be allotted to? Who will be getting this land if not corporates?
So you are saying that the land along the industrial corridor will go to corporates. That is your suspicion that Mr. Nitin Gadkari will say he is building a highway there. Along the highway only the corporates will get the land.
No.
That's what you are saying.
This is the apprehension.
That is your
As my
apprehension.
friend rightly pointed out, if he is not giving it to any corporate, put it in the ordinance, put it in the bill.
Nitin Gadkari, he wants you to put in the bill, no land will be given to corporate. No,
Already-
now come on, nobody is going to put this in a law. Digvijay Singh ji, आप मजाक बना रहे हो इसका.
मैं मजाक नहीं बना रहा.
कैसे law में करवाएंगे? How can you say that
ये बयान दे रहे हैं when he is saying that not an inch of land will be acquired for corporates. ये मजाक नहीं बना रहे.
अब मैं आपको,
Yes.
I want to clear it. One thing is very clear that industrial corridor is there.
Yes.
What is the meaning of industrial corridor? It is just like an industrial area. From 1 kilometer to 200 kilometer, every feet there is an industry. That is not the meaning. There is a cluster of industries. 50 kilometers land will be open. But when there is a village, there will be a one cluster. From 1 kilometer side that the road, and there will be industry. Now you understand, I am from Nagpur. In Vidarbha, we are making cotton. If suppose the industrial corridor between Mumbai and Nagpur, if whatever the cotton we are available there, that can be used for making cloth, ready-made garments and export. So I am telling you, suppose we need pre-cooling plant, cold storage system. The farmers can construct all this storage tank, everything on his land. And suppose anywhere, if he want to start any agro-processing industry, he also can raw material. He can
Digvijay
take
Singh
it.
ji, 67, we did a survey 2 years ago, 67% of farmers' children said they don't want to be on agriculture. They want to move towards other industries. You need rural jobs, rural infrastructure. आपने तो भूत खड़ा कर दिया है कि ये लोग कॉर्पोरेट में चले जाएंगे. एक तरह से you have created this ghost. You have created a ghost that this government will only sell. What is wrong if there is industrialization taking place in the country? What is wrong if land, as long as farmer gets compensation? Key question is farmer must get compensation. अगर मुझे मेरी जमीन बेचनी है, मुझे उसके लिए compensation मिलना चाहिए.
राजदीप जी,
4 times the price. बस वही सवाल है.
Will you please?
But one thing, Rajdeep ji, I just want to ask
5
you.
minutes without this interruption.
Digvijay Singh ji,
I will give you 2 minutes without his interruption.
No. He should not interrupt then.
Yeah, he won't interrupt.
So I'm responding
I
to
want
this.
you to tell
No,
you.
I'm
Just a minute.
responding.
I'm going to show you on the board and
I'm
you reply to
responding
this.
first.
Compensation.
I'm responding to you first.
Yes.
You see, for the first time in the history of independent India, the concept of land acquisition and rehabilitation resettlement has been brought under one umbrella. That came at the initiative of Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, Mr. Rahul Gandhi in the UPA government. Okay. Otherwise, resettlement and rehabilitation was not a part of the act. I'm coming to that. We are not against growth. we are not against industrialization, but we only want that such land which is not productive should be left for industrialization, and that is why we had brought.
So multi-crop irrigated land cannot be acquired.
Should not be.
Should not be.
When
but
there
if I want to sell my land and I get 6 times the value, why can I not?
there is no
The
power.
power should be with the farmer.
So,
किसान
consent.
के हाथ में ताकत होनी
Raj,
चाहिए.
this is what
सरकार क्यों
this is what
broker
I'm
बन-
saying.
सरकार broker क्यों बन
This
रही
is
है?
what I'm saying. That if there is a consent clause and there is an agreement between the farmer and the land developer, the government does not come in. In fact, in Madhya Pradesh, the Indra Sagar Dam on Narmada had the largest displacement in the country today, and it went out without an agitation. And even Mr. Narendra Kumar Chauhan, the present Madhya Pradesh BJP president, he was then a member of parliament when I was the chief minister. He said, if you give this compensation, I will touch your feet publicly. I gave, and he touched my feet publicly.
You know, it is at the end of the day. Nitin Gadkari, आपने एक मिनट. अगर किसान है और I am there, anybody who owns land, we are not China. जमीन जो है सरकार के पास नहीं है. चाइना में जमीन सरकार के पास होती है. In India, land is with a private individual. I have the right to decide what I want to do with the land.
100% you are correct.
And you have to give me the protection of providing me 4 times compensation as per your act. Show the compensation on our board. Our compensation will show you that both the acts say 4 times in rural India and 2 times in urban India, right? We want compensation. Should that not only be the debate? You have to ensure that if I am giving my land, I am giving it of my own free will. You cannot decide how much, whether I should give up my land or not. मेरी consent आपको चाहिए और आप मुझे चौतरफा 4 times the value of the land you will give me. That should be the debate.
Already it is there.
But then why are we having this debate?
May I?
It is a political debate.
May I?
Because some party and leader want to prove that Narendra Modi is against farmer.
May I?
Narendra Modi and NDA government is against poor. Narendra Modi is a government of corporate. Narendra Modi is a government of rich people, and they want to make the politics for that.
तो ये
That is
कह
the
रहे हैं
only
पूरी
business for
politics
them.
चल रही है कांग्रेस की.
100%.
May
नहीं तो क्या है?
Respond to that, Digvijay Singh
May I
ji.
interrupt? May I interrupt?
Digvijay Singh ji, yes.
May I interrupt?
Yes.
It is not only a question.
एक मिनट. हाँ,
It is not only a question. It is not only a question of farmers.
Yes.
There are families who are rural artisans,
Yes.
rural landless.
Yes.
That is why the social impact assessment is necessary, which they have done away with.
Sir, if you
The
do
point
a
I'm trying to
social,
make
sir,
is-
just a minute. If you do a social impact assessment of every project, it will take years for the project.
6 months. Is there a limitation on this?
Never it happened in 6 months. 6 years.
6
It
years.
will never
There was
happen.
never a provision.
No, let's be
There was
very,
never a provision.
sir, let us be
How are
very,
you saying 6 years?
sir, let us be very clear. There are parts of this country where projects have been stalled for 8 years, 10 years because of agitations.
But not because of social impact assessment. There
you
was
are
no
bring-
there. It
you
was
are
not there.
social impact assessment will take 6 years.
No, 6 months. There is in the act itself.
Are you convinced it will take 6 months?
It is
I will go
provided
to
in
the
the
court.
act. It
I
is
will go to
provided
the
in the
court.
act.
I
There's
will
a
go to the
limitation
court.
for 6 months.
I will go to the court protesting against it.
Ji,
I will go to the court protesting against it.
the right of the farmer to the court cannot be taken away.
Okay, I'm going to take audience question, but
Please
before
go
that,
ahead.
I want to ask both of you one question. You are both talking of compensation. Fact is,
And rehabilitation
एक
is
मिनट
settlement.
सर,
Both.
हरियाणा में आपकी सरकार थी, कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट. You did not give 4 times the value of the land to the farmer. Maharashtra में there is a BJP government. You are not giving the farmer 4 times. You are giving 2.2% in Haryana, and in some cases in Maharashtra you have given 2 times the land.
I just rectify.
No, that is the truth.
No. I am telling you, when this act was passed,
Yes.
at that time there was a government of Congress party. Actually, Prithviraj Chauhan, who makes the rule,
Yes.
the government, they given it 1:2.
Yes.
But after this act,
Yes.
we have taken a decision. I personally phoned to Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal ji, and I just give him that you must clear it immediately, and you must take the cabinet meeting immediately and rectify the mistake of Hooda government. And they taken a decision that in rural area it is 1:4, and urban area it is 1:2. The Devendra Fadnavis government has also taken that decision, and I am as a minister of National Highway, where my land acquisition cost was 70,000 crores. Now, Rajdeep, I am paying 1,80,000 crores, and I already signed a file on which I am giving compensation in rural area, it 1:4, and in urban area 1:2. And now under the leadership of Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi, we have taken a decision. The up to word was there in the act. We dropped that word, and now we are making the new law in the parliament, and with this amendment that the up to word will no there. You have to give the land acquisition cost 1:4 into rural.